Hey, if you wonder if you can actually recharge other smartphone by using your Redmi Note 13, yes, you can do this. But first of all, you have to actually get the higher battery level on your Redmi Note 13 than on the second smartphone. So now what you have to do is actually to get the cable. In my case, I'm using cable from my old Huawei smartphone, and you have to plug the USB-C port into your Redmi Note 13. And now just grab the second smartphone and plug it also into the USB-C port. And now as you can see, I've got information on my Redmi Note 13 that it is charging. The reason is that I have just higher battery level on my second smartphone. So if we actually change it, so if I got the 52% on my Note 13 and 30% on the Pixel 7 Pro, I will actually recharge this smartphone. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.